Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. Hello, my name is Autumn and I'm a professional hairstylist and makeup artist. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to complete a natural freckle look that is going to last you up to a week. So the first thing you're going to need is a self-tanner. So today I'm going to be using the Fake Bake Flawless Darker Self-Tanning Liquid. So as long as you are using a liquid-based self-tanner and not a cream or lotion or foam, you should be good to use any brand you would like. You will also need a mascara wand and a bobby pin, or you can also use toothpick or anything that is skinny and narrow like a bobby pin. So first you're going to want to take off the lid of the self-tanner. Make sure you set that on a towel or something, otherwise it could stain your table or whatever you're using. Now you're just going to take the mascara wand and dip it into the self-tanner. I have to go all the way to the bottom because I'm running a little low. Once you have your mascara wand covered with self-tanner, you just want to clean off the mascara wand in case anything got on it. So all you're going to do is take your bobby pin and go against the bristles of your mascara wand in an upwards motion. So I'll give you a closer look at what I'm doing. So what this is doing is creating splatters of the self-tanner against my skin, and that's going to create the most natural freckle look. Make sure you keep your eyes closed while you're doing this so you don't get anything in your eye. And the great thing about this is that all you have to do is take a makeup wipe and clean off any areas that you did not want freckled, or if you like messed up somehow. So all you do is just take a makeup wipe and wipe that away. Like if you don't want any freckles in a certain area, just wipe it away before they dry and you are good to go. So make sure that your face is nice and clean before you do this technique, because if it's not, it won't last as long. You want to make sure you have a clean base, so that is why I'm not wearing any face makeup today. So I'm going to let this tanner sit on all day, and then when I wash my face tonight, I should still be able to see those faux freckles that I created. So if you feel like any of the spots are too dark, all you have to do is press with your finger and it will lighten them up a little bit. So you can really customize this by only doing a few strokes on the mascara wand, and that will just give you a few freckles, or you can go over it again and again and again until you get the look that you want. So I've tried other ways of creating faux freckles, but this is by far the most natural looking. If you just create little dots with your brow pencil or eyeliner pencil, that can work too, but I feel like this is more natural looking, so I recommend this technique over the others. So I'll give you a nice close-up. Alright, so that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to do faux freckles that last up to a week. And if you have any questions, please comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, so that is it for today. Milo really needs a haircut, but the groomers are all closed, huh? Do you want some freckles? You want some freckles? Oh, you're gonna lick them off. Anyway. Alright guys, so I hope you have a good rest of your week, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, before I go, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!
Bye!